Hi there, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you these 4 very easy, budget-friendly, and quick DIY projects. Let's get started, but before that, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. For the first DIY, you need this Christmas ornament. I've got it from Walmart for $1.98. First, I removed the twine and I cut the beads in half. I also have this scrapbook paper. You can use any scrapbook that you have, and I choose this, and I trace the shadow box. I got the shadow box at Dollar Tree and I just trace and cut it. I also use hot glue to attach the scrapbook paper on the shadow box. First, I lay out the wooden piece and the beads on the shadow box before I hot glue it. Then I added a simple bow using the twine to cover the whole of the ornament, and you were done with the first DIY. So what do you think? For our second DIY, you need 11 by 14 picture frame, merry and bright wooden sign, the red plaid scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. It was $1 for 4 pieces. First, I painted the merry and bright wooden sign with my linen white Rust-Oleum. I gave it 2 coats, and I also painted the sides of the sign. While the paint is drying, I'm gonna work on my frame, and I just traced the back side of the picture frame on the scrapbook paper, and then I use Mod Podge to attach it. You need 2 pieces of scrapbook paper on this project because the paper doesn't fit the frame, so I just got a little piece, and then you can see a little bit of bubbles, but it's okay because you will cover that with the merry and bright sign. Yeah, so after I finish the frame, I just put it back again and attach the merry and bright with the hot glue. You can stop right here, but I added some snowflakes, and these are from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, and you are done with the second DIY. So tell me on the comment below, what do you think of this project? I really like it, and I hope you like it too. For our third DIY, this is also very easy. You need this shadow box from Dollar Tree, and I also have this printable design. I will just put it on the link below so that you can have it too. And first, I just trace the back side of the shadow box on the paper, and then cut it and just apply some stick glue. You can use Mod Podge, but stick glue is better on this project. And then after that, you're done with the third DIY, but I added some greenery on top, or Christmas pics on the shadow box, and done. For our fourth DIY, this is very easy and super inexpensive. I grabbed this Christmas gift box from Dollar Tree. There were 3 pieces in a pack. So it's just $1, and then I just assembled it, but I added masking tape on the side. You don't need to do this, just assemble the box in. Yeah, it will work. And guys, you can also choose any design or prints of gift box that you like. I just choose this to match my decor this year. Yeah, so these are my 3 gift box. And for the base, you need to grab any hardcover book or anything that's heavy so that the gift stacking will not gonna tip over. And I need to reveal something after this. And yeah, for the second gift box, I lay it out like this and mark where will I apply hot glue. Then once I mark it, I apply generous amount of hot glue. Then attach it to the first box. And this is how it looks like. And for the third gift box, I did the same thing. I just mark it and apply generous amount of hot glue. You can stop right here, or you can also glue those little elves from Dollar Tree, and it's really cute. And for the one that I will reveal, this gift box is still tipping over, so you need to put it against the wall, and it works really good. I will put it against or at the fireplace. That's it, guys. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what's your favorite. And if you were not subscribed yet, Please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thanks again to all of my amazing and supportive subscribers. Yeah, I love you all. God bless you and see you on my next DIY. Bye bye. Take care.